How to go AFK without getting kicked in Roblox on iPad. You could use probably a third-party app to do this, but one way we could is to use the accessibility settings on switch control. It's technically like an auto clicker for your iPad, but this does have a bit of a limitation and it doesn't really take that long to get rid of. It pretty much depends on how long and how many times you press on your screen for it to automatically click for you. But if you want to go ahead and try it, go ahead to your settings in your device and find your accessibility settings, which is here. Scroll down until you find your accessibility shortcut and make sure your switch control is already toggled on. You'll be able to turn it on if there is the check button, but anyways, go ahead back to your accessibility and then you're gonna have to find your switch control, which is in your physical and motor. So on your switch control, you're gonna go ahead to your switches and add a new switch. Here you're gonna go ahead and press on screen. You can choose the full screen option and then the tap option for your full screen. So let's say this is your switch, your full screen switch. So make sure your actions is on tap like so. You can find the option tap in your system, and once you have a switch, you can go to your recipes. Here you're going to create a new recipe and then you're going to assign the newly created switch, which is the full screen option, and then make sure you press on custom gesture. Here you're gonna have to press on the screen on where the jump button is for your Roblox. In our case, the jump button is somewhat around here, something like that. We're gonna go ahead and press on that area lots of times, and then we're just gonna go ahead and press on stop here in the bottom right, and then press on save. So once we have done that, you can go ahead and make sure you have this recipe specifically toggled on. So you're gonna go ahead and name this so that you can recognize it much easier. We're gonna go ahead and name it AFK like so. And then on the launch recipe, choose that newly created recipe. It's gonna show you how you can turn on your switch control. In our case, it's just pressing the power button 3 times. Then we can go ahead and enter the game for real and then press on the switch control button, which in our case again was the power button 3 times in a row. Wait, let me close this first, and then press on this triple button, and then it's just gonna go ahead and turn it on. Then just go ahead and press anywhere on the screen. You can press as many times as you want, and the more you press, the longer it will last. And then if you just want to go ahead and toggle it off, triple click the side button or the power button again, and then eventually it will turn off. But this is technically one way you could go AFK without getting kicked. Some games does have the option to go AFK without the 20-minute rule, but again, that's not on all games. You could find an option if it is available. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.